If you're eager to add more healthy foods into your diet, to lose weight and to feel great, then stick around. Today, I'm going to be sharing my top 5 fat-burning foods for weight loss. First up, we've got chia seeds. Now, these little seeds are full of both healthy fats and fiber. Chia seeds absorb water and slow down digestion, reducing hunger and cravings. They also happen to be loaded with essential nutrients like omega-3s, calcium, potassium, and magnesium. At number 4, we have eggs. Now, eggs are not only a nutritional powerhouse, but including them in your breakfast may help to control your appetite and promote weight loss, thanks to their protein and healthy fat content. Compared to sugary foods and refined carbohydrates, eggs are more satiating and they help to stabilize blood sugar throughout the day. Eggs also contain nutrients such as omega-3s, B vitamins, choline, and antioxidants that may help protect you from conditions like diabetes. They also supply you with collagen. That's the protein that helps build and strengthen the skin, joints, and connective tissue. Third on our list is chicken. Now, chicken can be an excellent fat-burning choice if you're trying to lose weight. This fantastic lean protein source will fill you up, keep your body energized, and keep those muscles looking sculpted. And it doesn't have to be boring. Ditch the bland chicken breast and enjoy some of our fun fat loss recipes such as our homemade Chick-fil-A nuggets. Coming in at number 2, cruciferous veggies. Cruciferous veggies are those absolutely delicious ones like kale, cauliflower, and good old Brussels sprouts. One of the primary reasons these are so fabulous for weight loss is that they are high volume but low in calories. They're also extremely nutrient dense. Recent research actually has suggested that consuming these naturally occurring compounds in these vegetables actually has the potential to improve leptin responsiveness, which leads to feelings of fullness and reduced appetite. And topping our list today, we have whey protein. Filling up on a high-quality whey protein, preferably sourced from grass-fed pasture-raised cows, will help support a strong metabolism and healthy weight. Protein will help keep you satiated, reduce cravings, and help you control your portion sizes. Choose a protein like our Metabolic super protein and also reap the benefits of collagen, improved digestion, and increased energy. So which of these fat-burning foods is your favorite? If you are looking for low-calorie, high-quality recipes, then make sure you subscribe to our Metabolic Living YouTube channel and check out some of our other videos. You can also head over to social media and follow us on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. Have a wonderful day, Metabolic Living family, and I will see you all in another video.